In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a frame from your LinkedIn profile. Navigating LinkedIn can sometimes feel a bit overwhelming, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. To begin, you'll need to navigate to linkedin.com on your preferred web browser. Once there, log into your account. You can do this by signing in with Google, Microsoft, or by entering your email address and password directly. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you might be required to verify your account with a code sent to your phone. This added security layer helps ensure your account safety, especially when managing personal details like profile photos. Now, once you've successfully logged in, head over to the upper right corner of the LinkedIn homepage where you'll see your avatar picture. Click on it. This is your shortcut to managing your profile and its settings. When you click your avatar, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on the option labeled View Profile. This is where all the magic happens in terms of profile customization and updates. On your profile page, your profile picture is an essential visual cue. Click on your profile picture again and you'll be presented with the option to manage any frames you've previously set. You should see an option labeled Frames. Select this to view the different frames you have available or in use. Now, look for the Original option. By selecting Original, you're choosing to revert your profile picture to its default state without any added frames. This can be particularly useful if you've changed your status or simply want a fresh start for your profile picture. Once you've selected the original image, look for the Apply button and click on it. This action will prompt LinkedIn to follow through with the change. It might also guide you through some prompts to ensure you're aware of any changes to your open to work or hiring status associated with the frame. If needed, follow along with these prompts to finalize the update. Finally, make sure you're ready to confirm the change. If you are certain about removing the frame and possibly any associated statuses, click Remove. This action will finalize the process, leaving your profile picture frame free and returning it to its original state. And there you go. With these simple steps, you've successfully removed any unwanted frames from your LinkedIn profile. It's a quick process, but one that can make a significant difference in how your professional image presents itself online. By removing the frame, you ensure your profile aligns with your current career goals and the impression you want to leave with colleagues and potential employers. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide was helpful for you.